Tuesday morning inside Southern Cross station. That's the train layout. It has the paving here to take you to platforms. So this is the sort of southeast corner of the train station. You can see the beautiful curving roof and the clear panels, so you get natural light. There's a few shops here, so you can pick up some food before you get onto a train. Vending machines. We're just going to walk along to see the accessibility for the platforms. So there's trains there. Trains. See this barrier here. Service booth here. And green you can't go through. Green you can go through. There's a ticketed area over there. So you tap your Mikey card and that lets you through. Also wider gates here. If you have a suitcase, a pram, a wheelchair. There's a little station here where you can top up your Mikey card before you go through. Trains arriving. And then over there we have lockers, a waiting room, and a passenger lounge and prayer room, toilets, public toilets. And it's probably about 8 o'clock, 7:38 in the morning on a weekday. This is the area here, so that's the paid area there. And you'll see that each of the platforms has hazard paving at the entryway and then along the edge of the platform, as well as a yellow line. Red line is the hazard paving, so that's Melbourne Southern Cross station.